instability, surging idle? Complete tuning guide for NIBBI carburetors. Hello everyone, this is NIBBI Racing Tech Talk. Some users have reported that after installing a NIBBI carburetor, they experience unstable idle revs hunting up and down. What causes this? How can it be fixed? Watch this video and you'll find the answers. Idle issues after swapping carburetors usually come down to three main causes. 1. Air leaks at the connections. 2. Improper idle screw adjustment. 3. Improper air-fuel mixture screw adjustment. Let's go through each one step by step. Step 1. Check for air leaks. After starting the engine, listen carefully for a hissing or puffing sound, like accompanied by an unstable idle. First, inspect the connection between the carburetor and the engine intake manifold. Make sure it is tightened properly and that the flange or spigot matches your engine. Any mismatch or loose bolt can cause an air leak. Step 2. Adjust the idle speed screw. Turning the idle screw clockwise increases idle speed. Turning it counterclockwise decreases idle speed. Let's listen to what high idle and low idle sound like. We use a tachometer to accurately read RPM. It clearly shows the effect of speed changes. For the PE carburetor on a scooter, we recommend setting the idle to about 1,400 revolutions per minute first. On high-performance dirt bikes, the idle should be around 1,600 to 1,700 revolutions per minute. If you don't have a tachometer, check if your motorcycle's dash has an RPM display, or simply tune by ear. Once the idle speed is stable, move on to Step 3. Step 3. Adjust the mixture screw. Take a flathead screwdriver. Turning the mixture screw clockwise reduces air intake, richer fuel mixture. Turning it counterclockwise increases air intake, leaner fuel mixture. Here's the tuning procedure. Set the idle speed to around 1,400 revolutions per minute. Then, turn the mixture screw clockwise until it gently seats. Do not leave it there, because with too little air, the engine will run rough. Now, slowly turn the screw counterclockwise to increase air. There is no fixed number of turns. For every engine, different engine models may need 1 turn, 1.5 turns, or even more. You must tune based on the engine's idle sound. Keep turning until you reach the point where the idle is highest and most stable. At this stage, most idle issues will be resolved. If the idle is still unstable, check other factors. Fuel quality, air filter condition, spark plug condition, clogged carburetor internal passages, proper pilot jet sizing. If you have any other questions about your carburetor, feel free to leave a comment. Follow the NIBBI Racing channel for more carburetor tuning tips.